Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to download a Ring app on your iPhone device. To get started, let's open App Store. Here search for Ring R-I-N-G and click on search button. Here it is. Here you can see get option on the right side, tap on it. Now it starts downloading. Double click your right side button in order to install. Now tap on install button. It will ask you to sign in with Apple ID. Enter your password. Now you have successfully downloaded Ring app. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.